So today in the shop, I got Landon and Jace building derby cars. I figured this was the perfect day to take Graders and his buddy Jack fishing. There's not a lot going on in the shop, and these boys wanted to build derby cars, so I'm taking Graders and Jack. We're headed to Lake Powell. We're gonna go catch some fish, have a little fun, play in the sun, and leave these boys to work in the shop and build their cars. So August 10th in Nephi, Utah, there's a demolition derby, and they want to build cars for it. I'm on the fence if I should build a car or not and go run with my boys. You guys should drop in the comments if you think I should build one or if I should just go watch them.
Okay, I'm building a derby car. I've got this car tipped over because both bays are used and I need to get the natural gas tanks out of this car. So I thought the easiest way is to just roll it over, and that's what I did. And it'll also make it easier so I can get the tranny mount, motor mount, drive line, so I can pull all that out. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna roll the car back over now. Magic. Now I can finish getting all the other stuff out, like the other two tanks that are right here and the motor and tranny. So on to that. Okay, time for an update. There is no motor because I pulled the old 4.6 natural gas, sir. It's over there in front of the four-wheeler, but I gotta wait for my dad to get back to help me with this mess. But then I think we'll be good to start throwing a cage in it and a motor.
So it's Friday, it's me and Hunter and just us. And we are working on my derby car. My dad's helping us partially, mostly just getting it running, but me and Hunter have to do everything else. So it's basically what we're doing. And I just gotta beat Landon. That's my goal here. Currently, we're welding the cage in it. So we put these plates on the back, and I've got to fully weld those in. And then Hunter's gonna be measuring for the back bar. And then we should be box cage-ish, something. And then we'll be chaired.
What motor are you putting in it?
I think it's a 400 out of some Impala, an old derby car. And it should run, hopefully long enough to beat Landon.
Alrighty, so get yours in place where you want it. Weld it, and then we can push this one in.
Okay.
Okay, can I try pushing it in? Okay, we're getting the crossbar in. Once it's in, then we can weld. We're doing 2x6 or 2x4 from here up to there, and then there'll be another 4x4 one right there.
So that side needs to come up.
Pry bar.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, well, that didn't work. Gotta go.
Right there. Tap it in.
It's pretty close.
It's good enough for a derby car. Tack her in.
I think so. Okay, and then I'll get those other plates built.
Okay, while I weld this solid.
While you weld this in, and then we can put that front one in, and then we can build that one. We're in pretty good shape, I feel like.
Yeah, cooking.
We're cooking.
We're getting closer on the derby car. I have the box in the car all the way around it. Gas tank is mounted, protected, all that. I just cut out this I don't even know what you call it, support thing. I'm gonna weld it in right there, and then I gotta put another one there, and then a little triangle gusset thing over there. I put the original steering back in it just so we can move it in and out of the shop. Seats mounted. I gotta put seat belts. And then I gotta put this bar in for the roll bar. Once my dad gets back, we can put the motor and make noises and drive. And then we can crash it. So to that. She's welded in, all nice like. Now that should be more support to the cage. Shouldn't move. We're on a mending path forward, so it's a bonus. Okay, we're making big progress. The roll bar is installed. We've got her welded down, up, across. Pretty much looking crispy. Now I'll put some plates right here on it. They go on both sides. And then I'll put like a little bar from there back or something. That bar is pretty close to my head, but we're gonna wrap it with stuff. We are making progress. I got these put on both sides. Nice. Now I've got to build a bar that goes from there to there, and then I've got to build a gusset for that side, and then another one like this on this side, so it's all reinforced. Okay, we've got top bars in, that bar in. Dude, the cage for the most part is done. There's some like little things to do, but other than that, I think the cage is pretty good. Hopefully it's better than whoever's in front of me, because I plan on not letting off the gas in this car, so hopefully. For the most part, it's all good. I gotta get a battery box. It's gonna set there, and then get the engine in it, then paint it, make it look all pretty. We'll be good.
All right, so Paul is gone and Sean is out farming. It's only me today. I have a recovery out at Peekaboo. They say it's stuck all the way to the floorboards, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna pick up my brother along the way so I can have somebody to help me. So we got the pin here. They're stuck right there. So me and Bodie will head out and we'll go get them. We picked up the little brother. We're out of here. Oh yeah. It's down low. It's harnesses. You don't gotta put the top one on. Perfect. All right, let's go. All right, we are arriving. I don't know where. Said the dude was in the parking lot. We picked up the victim. There he is.
I'm the victim.
We'll go find it. You tried all the tricks. You tried the sagebrush, you tried the shovel. You'd be amazed how many people are sticking sagebrush under their tires.
Oh yeah, I tried logs, I dug it, just kept spinning until it got real deep. Where I had to call it.
All right, well, I think we'll just use the Yankum and I'll just pull you and then we'll get you right. We'll probably get going because there's a turnaround spot right up here. Once we get going, we probably want to keep going up this hill, and then we'll turn you around and we'll pull you back.
Okay.
and he's going for it. He says he's gonna give her and see how far he makes it, so. Yeah, I can see how he got stuck out here. Yeah, it's soft. Oh yeah, he's shaking like no other. He's twerking that thing. Give it to her, buddy. Catch air in that thing. Yeah, he did. Keep going, buddy. Woo! He's driving her. He went the wrong way. Getting stuck again. That was awesome.
No.
Good job. Well, boat, how was it? That was good. That wasn't too bad, was it? No. Not bad at all. Alright, well, let's get out of here, shall we? Yeah. Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? I was expecting it to be a lot worse. One tug with that Yankum rope and it pulled him right out, so. I dropped Bodie off, and now I'm back here back in the shop. We'll do some more work. Well, Onx helped us out a lot. That was nice. One feature about Onx that I really like is, so they just sent me the pin. Here they are. I can click route to, and it shows me the exact distance. So it's 19.38 miles away. We're gonna gain 1,182 feet and we're gonna lose that much feet. If you don't have Onx, you've gotta get it. It's awesome. If you do end up getting it, you can use code fabrats-20 to save yourself 20% off. So it's awesome. You won't regret it.
Once again, the boys got a lot done today. They got cages in cars, got a bunch of stuff done. Hunter got a recovery done today. Wasn't expecting that, but he got her handled. And me and Graders and Jack caught a bunch of fish. So all in all, good day, but we're done with her. So thanks for watching.